with Codex and Claude Code dominating the enterprise like interface game, like that is going to be the entry point for a knowledge worker doing lots of different knowledge work across lots of different systems. We feel that ourselves. We're using Claude Code or Codex. And if there isn't an integration with the system, we probably are not going to be integrating with that system. Like, right? Like it's now become the standard that if you don't have an API or an MCP where I could easily talk to you from my IDE, Claude Code in the terminal or Ghosty or whatever you run or Codex, I'm not going to be using your software. Like that's now the bar. It's very quickly becoming the bar, I should say. And it's definitely the bar for us as an AI native team. So there's a question there of, with these interfaces, Claude Code and Codex for the enterprise as on-ramps for knowledge worker to do lots of different breadth and depth of knowledge work cross-functionally. Do you see that as the next problem to solve is how can we get these users their own individual N=1 hyper-personalized harness as fast as possible in the usage of our products?
I have this debate with a friend of mine, whether or not Anthropic and OpenAI would just be able to build all this domain-specific applications for like all people, and they're just going to be good enough. Like as in, is there actually room for entrepreneurship when it comes to creating domain-specific evals and creating specialized harnesses for people? I think that OpenAI actually doesn't have the end-user workflow data to create the specificities and the personalization that's needed for people to say, here you go. Like, here's the whole harness that you need for your job. And like, we fully understand all the workflow you need to build. Like they don't get that data in their FDE flywheel, their forward deployed engineer flywheel. They just don't get to that level of nuance, that level of specificity. And they probably won't. I think that frontier models do want that data. The enterprises, for the most part, probably don't want to give them that data. And I think in the remainder of that, what they don't get is that everybody needs a personalized experience when you actually get to like, what's the work I need to get done today? And how does this specifically work for me and my data? What are my workflows? Like I think there will be a separation between what entrepreneurs can deliver in value and like where you can deliver value on the edge and what OpenAI could deliver through one of these plugin harnesses.